This is an inbound lead that literally just hit my DMs. And this is the Zoom call that resulted in that lead. The system we will walk through in this video turned that Zoom call into 10 vertical video clips posted across 5 social media platforms. And it's these resulting posts that are part of the reason why messages like the one we started this video with and others like it are now sitting in my DMs. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system I used to produce those clips from start to finish, with all supplementary documentation included as a free repo linked in the description. The way this system works is one raw recording gets fed into it, with the recording you feed in being perhaps an impromptu interview you record with your phone, or perhaps a Zoom call, or perhaps a recording of a live presentation you recently gave, etc. And as output, you get clips posted across multiple social media accounts. And downstream from there, you pull in leads. 7 steps, that's it. But before we jump in though, let me give you some context on why you should even care. In the past 6 months, I've been running this system solo with no team, no editors, no paid ads, and while servicing 4 clients, and while delivering multiple AI upskilling programs in the greater Miami area. In that time, the system has produced 67 videos for me and 402 posts, keeping me top of mind in my network and bringing in leads for my business. Now let me show you 3 quick examples of the outputs generated by the system. Your clips are going to look slightly different. They'll have different voice, different branding, different tone, but this will give you a great idea of the outputs you can expect if you were to adopt the system yourself or some variation of it. If you're running an agent with an LLM that is hosted on your machine, so that sounds fancy. So hopefully everybody's familiar with the basic concept of, if you go back like, I guess, 8 slides, you have like that basic glossary of terms, right? Yeah. All right, cool. So that's honestly, it's probably hard to see, but this is actually like, with this knowledge alone, you're probably not seeing that. But you just do this in combination, and then you get ChatGPT, you get Tesla Autopilot, you get like, you have to do this in like millions and billions of combinations with each other, right? This probably looks a little bit scary, but hopefully for those who have even seen a little bit of code, hopefully you can recognize this is a for loop. So this is an agent. What you're looking at here is an agent, right? So it ends right here. What do you need to run this clipping system? Stripping away all the details, it's 4 things: a laptop, some free open source software, 2 paid softwares, i.e. Claude and Metricool, and whatever video editing software you like, in case you want to make manual edits along the way. All in, ignoring the laptop you already own, this runs about $100 per month with almost 0 marginal cost as you produce clips at scale. The full detailed list of the components of this system, along with setup steps, can be found in the repo linked in the description. You or anyone can follow along with this video no matter your level of experience. But if you actually want to build this system, then experience with or a high level of interest in learning, Python, Claude, and Docker will help a lot. That's it. The walkthrough begins now.